Good morning, good morning, good morning. And wow, some of you were very early today and you were all logged on and ready and waiting. And that is brilliant. So welcome back, children from last week and some children who've done the previous lessons. And remember what I said, if you were here before, but if you were not, I'll just say it again. The lessons are in 3 different levels. So I do a lot more teaching in the first lesson and then a little bit less in the second and less in the third. So if there's anything that you don't understand in this lesson, please do go back and watch the other ones, and it will just make sure that you've got that firm understanding. Because remember what we said, maths is like a house. If you haven't got those firm foundations, then actually you'll be a little bit wobbly. So hello and welcome. I hope that you're all well. I hope you're going to be thinking about having your daily exercise, maybe somewhere local, maybe in your garden if you have one, but keep safe, keep indoors, keep local, and only go out once a day to have your exercise. So well done and welcome. So today we are going to look at place value, and I've got a few little problems for you to look at whilst we are waiting for everybody to join us. So I'm just going to drop down. Oh, look at this. Who's this? Some of you met Rexy this morning already. This is Rexy. He is an English Bull Terrier and he has come to join us today. So can you just have a little look there and see these equations? What is wrong with them? What is wrong with these equations? What is wrong with these equations? Something is wrong with all of them, and I need you to tell me what is wrong with these equations. So welcome, welcome. If you've only just joined us, hello and welcome. It's lovely to see you today. So thank you for joining us. Have a good look at those equations that are on the screen. Now, do you have a little work area set up? I know sometimes we are working on the dining room table. You may be lucky enough to have a little space that you have marked out as your work area that you can keep all of your things together. If you don't, then just ask one of your grown-ups to get you a cardboard box when they go to the supermarket, and you can keep all of your things carefully in there together. So you should keep your bright ideas work together, the work that your lovely teachers are setting you together, so that you know where it all is and you do not lose it. So like I said to you last time, if you have got a work area or a little box area, I'm happy for you to take a picture of it and ask your grown-ups to email it to us so that we can see what you are working on, how you are keeping yourself organized, your little learning area, little learning box. It would be great if you can sort that out for us and send it to us. So have a good look at what we are doing today. Welcome if you have just joined us. We are looking at these equations and working out what is wrong with them. So each one of them has something wrong with it. Can you work out what it is? What is wrong with them? Every one of them has something wrong with it. Can you have a little look, my little chickadees, and see if you can work out what it is? So go through those equations, have a little look at these equations. I can see that you are all busy. Yeah, I know there is a bit of a lag today. So you'll still get the lessons, but you might be is lag. Write them up on the board, and then we can have a little look at them together. Okay, so I do apologize for the lag. I know that some of you are experiencing that. Okay, so 1 more minute. Hopefully you've all done these, and then we can go through them together. Okay, so you have to check as well, because I'm remembering lots of things here and sometimes I make a few little silly errors, and I'm relying on you to check what I'm doing and to tell me if I have made a little bit of an error. Okay, now I know I have with the ones that are there. Okay, good. Okay, here we are. So what is wrong with those equations? What is wrong with those equations? So the first one, 55,000 take away 5,000. Don't try and read upside down. 55,000 take away 5,000. What is wrong with that? Now the answer says it's 49, but actually we are taking away this, aren't we? We are taking away that 5,000. So it is going to leave us with just the 50,000. It is going to leave us with just the 50,000. So give yourself a tick if you got that right. The first one is not 49,000. The first one is 50,000. That is the answer. So the next question, 22,000 plus 10,000. Well, there's the 10,000. There's the 10,000 column. We are simply adding another 10,000. So we've got 22,000. We will end up with 32,000. We will end up with 32,000. Give yourself a tick if you got that correct. Okay. So the next one was 43,000, take away 1,000. Let's look at the 1,000 column. We are taking 1 away from there. There's 43,000 less 1,000. So we are going to get 42,000. And then number 4, 777,777. All the sevens. We are taking away 70,000. So that's the 10,000 column. We are taking 7 away from there. So we will still have the hundreds. We will still have the thousands. 707,777. And the last one, 22,099. We are adding 1. It's going to shift it all along to make another 1,000. So then we will have 23,000. So can you have a little look? Tell me how many you got right. 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 1 out of 5. How many did you get right? Tell Rexy and I how many you got right. How many did you get? How many did you get? Oh, nice ticks. Yay. Hey, liking the ticks. Well done. Clever, clever. Clever, clever, clever. Oh, good, good, good. All of them, all of them, all of them, all of them. All of them right, all of them right. Well done, well done. Clever clogs, clever clogs. Brilliant. So we are just going to do a little bit of work on expanding numbers just to check place value. And then I've got some real brain teasers for you. Oh, they're going to make your brain hurt. Oh, Rexy, Rexy, you can do it. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of expanding. Before we go on, I just need to ask a favor of you. So we are going to carry on through the Easter holidays, but we can only carry on if we get big numbers. So can I ask each one of you, please, can you try and get 2 more people to join our lessons? And then we will know we've got bigger numbers and it's worth us doing it, because I'm really enjoying getting to know everybody and working with you. Oh, lots more ticks coming in. Well done. And that's really brilliant. But we need some more numbers. So can I ask every one of you, can you please find 2 more people to come and join us? Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Okay, I'm going to just drop down a place value grid. Now, years 5 and 6, we need to work on big numbers, okay? And we need to go up to the millions. And when we are looking at our place value chart, we know that we go from ones, jump up power of 10 to tens, jump up another power of 10 to hundreds, another power of 10, and we're in the thousands. And we've got, again, 1,000, 10,000s, 100,000s. And then we jump them to the millions, 1 million, tens of millions, 100 millions. Okay, so big numbers. So I am going to put, because you know I do like to check understanding. So I'm going to put some little markers in these columns, and then I want you to write the number that we have, okay? So bear with me. They're very small because we're dealing with big numbers. Can you tell me what number we have here? So look how many there are in each column. I'm just going to finish off here. Let's move these apart a little bit. What number is showing there? What number is showing there? What number is showing? Can you type it in for me? What number is showing there? What number is showing there? We're going to just check. Well done, answers are coming in. You cannot see properly. Okay, why is that? Why can't you see properly? Okay, I've moved that. Okay, I'm looking at the screen and I can see. I'll just separate these little ones out just in case you can't see those. Okay, what number is showing here? I'll just separate these out as well so you can see. Okay, so we have 3 in the hundreds of thousands column. We have no tens of thousands. We have 1,000. We have, oops, 2 hundreds. We have 2 tens, and we have 2 ones. So we are showing 301,222. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Yay. Okay. Going to get a little bit harder. Okay, so I'll take these digits away. Take these digits away. And these are very tricky little things to move around. Okay, let's go over here. Over here. Over here. And I'm going to take these out. And I'm going to put them, so I haven't finished yet, I'm going to put them in here. Okay. So we've got a 7-digit number. What number are we showing now? 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 Okay, can you see clearly? Well done, answers coming in. Okay, try and get into the habit of showing a space between every 3 digits. So it's a millions. Okay, where we've got the different colors, that's where the space comes. So you do a space between the millions, a space between the hundreds and thousands. So it's this digit, space. These 3 digits together, a space. Okay, some people put a comma in. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Very clear space between your tens of thousands and your thousands. Remember, your millions need. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, have another. Oh, very nicely written. A space between the millions, a space between the hundreds and thousands, a space between the hundreds. So let us have a little look. We have 1 million. We have 2 hundreds of thousands. We have 3, oops, no, not that one. We have 3 tens of thousands. We have 1,000. We have 100. We have no tens, and we have 2 ones. 1,231,102. And that's quite right. You can comma and you can put spaces. It's your choice, but you do need to think, oh, and then it helps you not to get an extra digit. We've got a little extra digit on a number just coming in there. We've got an extra 0 on the end. So that makes that not accurate. So just be really careful. Okay, well done. Let me see some ticks if you got it right. I like those ticks. It made the chat look nice and colourful. Yay! Miss Nikki. Yes, I am Miss Nikki. So there you go. You got those in there. So you are showing me very nicely that you have got that place value. So let's try looking at place value in another way. Okay. Can you tell me, have you ever, I'm sure you have, you may just forget, it's called this, written numbers in the expanded form, when you have a number and then you have to expand it. I'm just going to lift up and I'm going to do one on the board for you, a few on the board as a demonstration. Then I'm going to drop back down because it's much more interesting when we drop back down and you can see all the nice equipment. So have a look. Have you done it yet? Thumbs up, expanded. Yep, yep, yep. Lots of ticks, expanded, expanded. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, nice ticks. Nice research ticks. I like those. Nice and colorful. Okay, so let's just do a 4-digit number first of all, and we'll expand it. Okay, so 4,652. Okay, I'm going to write that as an expanded equation. once you show me. Write that as an expanded equation, please. 4,652. Can you write that as an expanded equation for me? Let me have a look. Put it in the chat. Okay, put it in the chat. Yeah, Rexy, have a little look, see if you can do that. Can you write that as an expanded equation for me? Have a little look if you can. Oh, nice expanded equation coming in. 2 nice expanded equations coming in. Well done. Let me see if I have a few more. Can I have any more expanded equations? Okay, words. Brilliant. Fantastic. Words are good. I didn't specify, so both are brilliant. Well done. So we have got 4,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. Okay. We've expanded it into the different bits. Okay. So let me do another one. I'm going to write another number up now and ask you the question in a different way. We're going to do a little bit more on expansion, then I'm going to give you some problems. Okay. In this number, in that number, what is the value of the tens of thousands column? In that number, what is the value of the digit in the tens of thousand column? What is the value of the tens of thousands? Okay, what is the value of the tens? Just hold that a little bit closer. Okay. What is the value of the tens of thousands? Now we know tens of thousands, it's here, so it's going to have 5 digits. Quite right. There it is. There it is. And it is 50,000. Okay. 50,000. So let's drop down and have a little look at some more resources I've made to show you. We won't start with that number yet. Oh, not that number. Oh, no. Oh, let's start with this number. Okay. I'm going to drop you down and I'm going to show you a number. Okay. Can you see that? There's the number. Can you write that number, please, in its expanded form? Can you write this number, please, in its expanded form? Can you write this number, please, in its expanded form? Okay. Oh, I've got smileys now. I've got shirt and tie, lovely hearts, like the NH heart, rainbow hearts. Let's make sure we're focused on the maths though as well. Oh, it's so lovely to see you all. I'm so excited. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, well done. Expanded forms coming in. Very nice, very nice. Okay, it's a 5-digit number, so we're going up to the tens of thousands. Expanded form coming in. Expanded forms coming in. Well done. Good thinking. Good concentrating. Oh, watch that end one. Watch that end one. We don't need the space holder if it's at the front, do we? Unless we're doing decimals and we've got a decimal point in place. Okay, so let's expand. Let's expand, and you can see if you were correct. So 60,000, 7,000, 800s, 3 10s, and 1 1. 60,000, 7,000, 800, 3 10s, and 1 1. 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9. Do you have that correct? Give me a little tick. I want you all to have your own little symbols for yes. It can be a smiley, a tick, a stretchy arm, a thumbs up. Okay, 1 is enough. You know, if a finger gets caught on there, but I want to let me see a nice symbol as telling me you got this right. Okay, some nice symbols. Is that a thumbs down I just got there? I can't really see what that yellow thing is. So, okay. Right, let's try another one then. We did the 10,000s number. Let's try another one. Oh, I think we'll do this one next. Okay, can you expand this number for me, please? Can you expand this number for me, please? 7 digits, 7 digits. So we've gone up to the millions column. We've gone up to the millions column. 7 digits. Just put this down here to just help you in case anybody just needs a little bit of extra help. If you don't, just whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Just get on with it straight away. If you don't need the help, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh away. Let's have your expanded equation. Give your brains a rub. We are dealing with big numbers here. Big numbers in the house. Big numbers in the house. Are big numbers in your head? Big numbers in the house. Big numbers in the house. Ooh, somebody started. Remember, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So check you've expanded into 7 numbers. Oh, well done, well done, well done, well done. Oh, can't see any maths coming in there. I think people must be having a brain freeze. Here we come with some maths. That's what I'm interested in. Here comes the maths. Well done, well done. I'm going to start to expand this so you can double check. I'm going to start to expand this so that you can double check. Oh, here's some more maths. Well done. Getting your maths head on now. Fantastic. I am going to expand so you can double check. It is a big number. It is a big number. Okay, let's have some more maths coming in now. Well done. Some more maths coming in now. Well done. Okay. Right, let me take away that little prompt, take away that little help, and let's see if you have expanded. So that's 7th digit, 9,900,000, 90,000, 8,000, plus 900 plus 40 plus 1. Have we all got that on there? Ooh, it's a bit of a squash. These numbers are so big. Big numbers in the house. Did we get that? Let's have a little look. 9,900,000, 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 1. Ticky, ticky, tick, smiley, 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 thumbs up, yes or yay. Yes, I got it. Good. Well done. Okay, so we're okay with those expanded numbers. So time for a problem, I think, Miss Nikki. Time for a problem. Let's just move these expanded ones out of the way so I can give you a problem. Let's get those brains working. Let's get those brains working. So we are going to have our next problem. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Okay, let me just check that you can see that. And I have not put the digits in yet. So let's have a look. 5 and a 3, and we'll have a 4, and we'll have a 2. So using these digits, here they come, here they come, here they come, here they come. Using these digits, can you make the largest, the greatest number, and the smallest number? You have to use all 5 digits each time. You have to use all 5 digits each time. Because I know otherwise you just pick a number 2 and say it's the smallest number. So no, 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 no. Use all 5 digits, okay? All 5 digits, you have to use them all 5 digits. What's the greatest number you can make and what's the smallest number you can make? And then I want you to tell me why. How do you know that that is the biggest number and that is the smallest number? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Why is that the biggest? What rules did you use? Type something in and tell me. Explain your thinking. Okay, I can see those numbers coming in. Well done. We can see the numbers coming in using these digits. We can see them coming in. So tell me about your thinking. How do you know that is the biggest number. And how do you know that is the smallest number? Tell me something about the rules of which order you had to put those digits in. Thinking about your place value columns. Thinking about your place. Okay, thank you. Tell Miss Nikki which the aunt. Tell Miss Nikki about your thinking, please. Let's have a look. I started with a large. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So if we are going to make the largest number, let me get these digits up here. If I'm going to make the largest number, then it's a 5-digit number. It goes up to the 10,000s. I need to put the largest number first. Then I need to put the next largest number. Then I need to put the next largest number, then the next one, then the next one. So for the largest number, they need to go in descending order in terms of the digits. So then the same must be true for the smallest number. I need to put the smallest digit first, then the next smallest, then the next smallest, then the next smallest, then the next smallest. Okay, then the next smallest. Okay, so I have another problem for you now. This might take you a little bit longer. Give your brains a little bit of a massage, okay? Give your brains a little bit of a massage. Just wake them up, make sure they're nice and awake. Do a few stretches. Stretch to the right, stretch to the left. Turn your head, Make sure your brain is feeling good. So let me just check you can see all of this. Let me just check you can see all of this. Okay. So using the digit cards 0 to 9, okay? It doesn't matter if you've got haven't got cards. You can just write them down on your paper. Create 3 different 5-digit numbers that fit these rules. So I want 3 different numbers. The digits in the hundreds and the ones column have a difference of 2. The digits in the hundreds and the 10,000s column have a difference of 2. The sum of the digits must equal 19. See if you can even get 1 for me. See if you can even get 1 for me. If you're really stuck, tell me, and I'll give 1 as an example. If you need me to give 1 as an example, tell me, and I will. Okay, if you need me to give you an example, tell me, and I'll give you an example. Okay, see if you can make 1 first of all. Okay, I've just had a question of how can we get easier work. Well, if you watched the lesson earlier, as I said, there are 3 different lessons and they all get a bit harder. So at this lesson, aged at 5 and 6, I am not doing loads of teaching. I am assuming that you're quite confident and we are doing some reasoning and applying. Okay. So if anything in this lesson is a little bit tricky, then just make sure you watch the earlier lessons as well. You can watch the earlier lesson recorded today. That's fine. Okay, just go back and watch that. So I'm just going to give you 1 as an example. And then you see if you can find another one for me. Okay, there's an example 1. So these are the rules. It's a 5-digit number. Check. Digits in the hundreds and the ones have a difference of 2. Hundreds, ones. Okay, difference between 2 and 0 is 2. The digits in the hundreds column and the 10,000s column has a difference of 2. Okay, 10,000s column digit is 4. Hundreds column is 2. Digit difference is 2. The sum of the digits comes to 19. 4 and 7 is 11, and 2 is 13, and 6 is 19. See if anybody else can find another example. See if anybody else can find another example. Okay, I have got an example coming in. Oh, that's the one I just put down. See if anybody else has got another one. Okay, so this one that's just been put in Yes, you've got the difference correct. There's a difference of 2 there and there's a difference of 2, but they don't add up to 19. They've got to add up to 19 as well. They've got to add up to 19. Okay, people are getting the difference correct, but they're not getting their digits to add up to 19. Just seen another one come in now. Okay, I think we've got another one. Well done. We've just got another one there. Well done. No, they've got to make a total of 19. I've seen this one come in. Well done. Right, what's this one? 56. Oh, it's going to go. 2, 4, 1. Well done. I've just seen, oh, another one. That's the same one as I've seen coming in already. Okay, I'm going to leave you with that one to have a little think. And if you find some more, you can send them in to us, okay? I will screenshot this and make sure that it gets sent to you with the email as well. So see if you can find some more. I've seen one come in. I may have missed another one. I may have missed another one. So I will take a picture of that problem and I will send it to you. Now, your lesson has not finished because what must you remember to do? Find two friends at least, and get them to join us. And, oh, who's that? Have a look. Remember to do your quiz. So you will have a quiz that will come up in the chat. Okay. Do your quiz. It's all about the things that we've been looking at today, place value and expanding numbers. So look at the chat and the quiz will come up. We will also email you a dot to dot that goes up to 1,300 dot to dots, 1,300. So you will have to be very patient. Let me just have a little look if I can find. I'm just leaning back here because I did have, right, this is, I know some of you haven't got printers, so I'm really sorry. If you have got a printer, then, oops, let's have a look. That's the dot to dot. That's how far I've got. I think you can see what it's going to be. It's really tricky, but it's really good for concentrating. You need a nice, quiet place, good light to see the dots. I used a magnifying glass. It helped. Do the dot to dot. Do a great job of colouring in. Get a grown-up to take a picture and email it to us. And it'd be great next Tuesday. I can show examples of the dot to dots if you have done. So there is a quiz. And we will email you out as well a dot to dot. So please do the quiz, do the dot to dot. Can you please find people to join us as well? Going to have a say of a nice, well done. Woo! Try and get it so the light's not shining on it. Yay, well done. Well done, well done. 11:30, chickadoos. So bye-bye from me and bye-bye from Rexy. Just giving you a little wave there. Have a great day. Been fantastic spending that math time with you. I will screenshot the problem and see if you can work on it and send us some more combinations of that as well. And we will say, yay, well done if you've got those. On Tuesday, I'll show some other numbers as well. So I'll start the lesson on Tuesday, but with this problem. So if you keep your numbers, you can add them into the chat. If you want to email them in as well, you can. But I will start Thursday's lesson, not Tuesday, Nikki, Thursday's lesson with this problem. I will start Thursday's lesson with this problem. So in your workbooks, on your paper, see if you can find some other numbers. And on Thursday, we will start off with that. So in the chat, you have got the link to the quiz. Let's see how many you can do. It gets marked as well when you do it. Print off the dot to dot if you have a printer. If you have the patience and the focus to do 1,300 dot join in and get a great picture and then take care to colour it in. If you do that, I would love to see the work that you've done. Please take a picture of any work you've done and send it in to us as an attachment on an email. No faces, no pictures of you, just the work. And I would really love to see the work you've been doing while we've been working together. Find some friends. Join us on Thursday. Make sure you stay safe. Have a great time. Been lovely spending the morning with you. Bye bye, chickadoos. Bye bye.